Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix an unexpected premium charge in Rocket Money. So if you notice an unexpected Rocket Money premium charge, it may be due to a trial and then a recurring membership renewal or a charge associated with the monthly price you selected when you sign up. So reviewing your membership details is the first step to identify the reason for the charge. So actually guys, you will need to open the Rocket Money app at first, then just tap the settings or the gear icon that's located at the top left corner here. So now guys, you will need to select the premium membership option that you will find listed just right here on the left hand menu, and then just review your current membership status, your selected monthly price, your next billing date, and your billing history if available. And also you will need to check whether your free trial ended. So if you recently started the premium, confirm whether your free trial has expired and review the date you enrolled in the trial. Also guys, you will need to verify that the charge matches the monthly amount you selected during the sign up. So the premium trials automatically converts to a paid membership unless cancelled before the trial ends. So guys, you will need to verify the charge amount. So the Rocket Money Premium uses a flexible pricing model. Compare the charges or the charge with the monthly amount you selected when subscribing, any recent changes you made to your premium price, your billing history to confirm whether it's a scheduled renewal. Also guys, you can contact the Rocket Money support, so if you don't recognize the charge or believe it was made an error, you will need to contact the Rocket Money support through an app chat. So actually you can go with the help and privacy here and then go with the help center, or you can go with the chat with support at better. Right, so here you will need to provide them with the date and amount of the charge, the last four digits of the payments method used if applicable, and the screenshot of the transaction if available, so the support can review your account and explain why the charge occurred or investigate potential billing issues. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.